In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add bullet points in Notion. Bullet points are great for breaking information into clear, scannable chunks, and Notion makes them easy to create. We'll go from opening Notion to pulling up the bulleted list option to typing your content so it looks clean and organized. First, open a web browser and head over to notion.com. If you're already using the desktop app, that works the same way. Click login and sign into your account. After you're in, proceed to the workspace you want to work on. A workspace is simply the collection of pages and databases you share with yourself or your team, so pick the one where this content belongs. Next, navigate to the page where you want to add bullet points. You can use the sidebar to find it or open it from your recent pages. Click into the spot on the page where you want the list to begin so your cursor is ready. Now, type a /, that's the slash key on your keyboard. This opens Notion's command menu, which lists blocks and actions you can insert. A small panel will appear with options you can scroll through. Keep scrolling until you find bulleted list. If you don't see it right away, the menu has a search field at the top. Start typing bullet and it will jump straight to the option. This is Notion's standard bullet style and is perfect for quick notes, checklists that don't need checkboxes or outlining ideas. Once you're in the bulleted list, just type the content you want to type. Press enter to create a new bullet on the next line. If you need a line break within the same bullet, use Shift plus Enter. To create subpoints and nest ideas, press Tab to indent a bullet and Shift plus Tab to move it back out. When you're done with the list, press Enter twice to exit and continue with normal text. Keep your bullets short and focused so they're easy to scan, and start each one with a strong keyword to make the list more readable. Notion saves changes automatically, so your list is safe as you work. That's it. You've opened Notion, logged in, moved to the right workspace and page, used the / command to pull up the bulleted list, and typed your content. With this simple flow, you can organize notes, meeting agendas, or project ideas in seconds. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.